And we're back. Global Game Jam. Hosted in Serbia. Official team Bubble. Alternative team Corruption Kills. Because it is in Serbia. And we can't escape some facts. If you're someone who wonders what this is about, then get informed about protests in Serbia and all that stuff. Anyway, the game that I have so far, basically I went all in with bubbles. The white, also you can enter a bubble, as you can see. I just went into it, but I'm still, missing the graphics for the player. And yeah, the white thing at the bottom is supposed to be a liquid, out of which the bubbles are coming out of. But that'll be clearer when I do the graphics. Hopefully. There is not much time. This is a very short jam. Even though it's a weekend jam, they expect you to finish by Sunday afternoon, which sucks, but what can you do about it? So I was thinking of hurrying up to get some graphics done for the main guy, for this heroic figure here, because the player, shockingly, the player is not going to be a white capsule, but some sort of alien. I'll see. You will see. Those who live will tell. Have a pencil here, so let's try and make this little guy. What's the size? Like half of a. So 215. The last thing I did was 512. Well, the hero should be 215 and half of that in width. Let's just give it a try. Transparency, okay. Let's set a background black. Blackety black. And the guy will be white. Not really white, but white outline, So do I still know how to draw? But I was thinking, well, actually I might make it bigger. Might make it bigger because I was thinking of a creature that has like antennas, yeah. So you know what? I'll just go back to 512. Right. Let's mark some space. 215, 215. Is this position of the center? No, sadly, it's of the bottom left. 0, 0. God. Luckily, there are these little arrows. What? Why doesn't this work anymore? Mm-hmm. Let's knock it down a pixel because this is zero based. All right. Oh my god, really? Troll. There we go. Yep. I rarely use rulers. I usually need to look it up, like how to. Oh my god. How to get rid of them once I add them. This glitches, it makes the line disappear. There we go. Go, 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 go. There. So yeah, something like that. Add new layer. Okay. Select none. Because I only wanted to, you know, mark it down. Add a background so I know how it's gonna look. Okay, so now the sprite can be bigger than. It can be bigger. So let's see. Let's do a sketch first. What I wanted was something like some ridiculous creature that has antennas like this. So I know it'll kind of look like a plankton, but that's not the idea because, I mean, SpongeBob plankton. Because it'll also have a sharp nose. And that's to explain how it enters the bubbles. Because when you jump in from below the bubble, it can enter it. Well, it can enter it because it has this, you know, anatomy. It's creature specialized for entering bubbles. Right. Now, yeah, this should be at half. What was this? 128. 127. Hmm. Or something like this. I don't care. Okay, let's go. I think we'll only need one jumping up and one jumping down. It's a very simple game. Let's try and do the one jumping down. Okay. The antennas. What's going on there? The antenna's going like this. What is this crap? Hmm. And I think it should have like, let's set a new layer for it. Should have like a little. Well, not little. It should have huge fit. Why are you messing with me now? Huh. Strange things. That's would be good, but it's bigger than the other one. Oh my god. Perfectionism much. Well, let's fix it then. It's gonna be a tiny sprite, so that's why I don't wanna overdo it. We can't be having too many details here. It'll be even tinier than the bubbles. Mm-hmm. Now let's set fill. Did it work? Yeah, alright. Okay, we can move this one a little bit to the... like whatever. Hmm. This thing... needs a little fixing. I don't know why my drawing board started messing with me here. Let's add black here as well. Just so it's not transparent. Alright, now it needs a nose. It needs a nose. Something like this. Okay. I think we now have the main character falling down. But to keep things the same, maybe I should duplicate this. Duplicate, and then maybe mirror it. I mean, flip. Just to make sure that body shape is the same. I don't feel like drawing it all again. Then move it a little over here. Then of course antennae are gonna be falling down this time because we're jumping up. And feet are gonna be different. Let's remember to save. Feet's gonna be like, whoa. Painted black. Now let's fix it. Because the board is just messing with me right now. I don't know why. Erase. Nah. I think it can do. That's it. And now we need to change the antennas. I don't even think that this is a board messing with me. It's just GIMP not liking resolution this low. It is quite a low resolution to work. But you know, it's a tiny guy. And if I drew him larger, then I would have to bother with fixing many details to scale him down. Or scale her down. The gender is unknown. Okay. Horrible. Horrible. This needs to improve. This antenna shape. Something like this. I mean, it's gonna be so small, it'll be barely visible, but still, when you need to fix something, you need to fix it. Oh, the nose, I forgot the nose. Going up so we understand why he can enter balloons. I mean, they. Wait, how did it look like? What did it look like before? Alright, nose about half the body length. I think I can do that. Just know what was the brush size, 12. For fuck's sake, imp. Was it 12? Well, looks like it. So we kind of just go like here. Kind of go something like this. Too big. delete, 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 delete. Crap, 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 crappity crap. When it's crap, it's crap. Okay, another black. Fill. Let's make this sharper. Look really sharp. Okay. So this is jumping up. Let's set a group. Jump. I'll go away. This needs to be outside. Outside, thank you. Jump down. Evolve. This. Now we can also immediately check if it looks like itself. I think it does. Yeah. I can polish it later. Let's try and get this into the game then. The fun part. Um. Okay, I'll start with separate images then. Jump up and jump down, because this creature only does jumping, doesn't do anything else. And then I'll use my old, what's it called? Piskel up. Yeah. Do I have it here? It's such a... Ah, Piskel. Go on. It's simplest thing to create sprite shit right now. I don't want to bother with a sprite right now. Now the size is 512. Right, now import. Import. Oh, this from 2 jams ago. The game is called Tsar's Watchtowers. Feel free to check it out. But right now, no, this one. I'm doing too many jams. I think I need to chill down. Well, that'll be easier since Ludum Dare will pause this year, it seems. If you know what Ludum Dare is. Okay, jump down. Okay, and import another one. Jump up. We're gonna combine. Okay. Now we can see the miracle of animation happening before our very eyes. Let's save this. What are we gonna call it? I don't even know yet what this creature is called, but the bubble game player. Bubble player. I'm gonna save a work file and then export. The pskill is the work file. Alright. And now I can export PNG. Let's have it 2 columns, 1 row. Good. Guys. Yeah, this is the other game. It's pretty cool. But let's focus on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right into the assets. Textures. Bubble player. Alright. Can we now finally use this graphic? Okay, now the details. Sprite mode, multiple. Sprite editor. Yeah, let's try automatic. Did it figure it out? No, we do not want this. We want what was it? 512. Slice, okay, and that's it. Now we have the left one and the right one. Apply. Okay, whatever. No, the player. Oh wait, I want to change more settings. No filtering. Yeah, whatever. For now, maybe I give in and use filtering later, but not now. Blur, where's the blur prefab? Yeah. Sometimes I hate Unity UI. Hmm. Another thing I hate about Unity is like I don't know a simpler. Why did I change this? Whatever. I don't know a simpler way to actually. I need to drag this on the screen to create an animation. I hate this shit. I really hate this shit. Yeah. Oh no. Alright. Screw that. I think I know how this works. I don't do 2D in Unity often, so got a little confused, but now I'm on the track. Animator. Yeah, let's reuse this animation controller. Now, is it too big? It is a little bit bigger than what it should be. You know, doesn't matter. Let's hmm. Okay, no, 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 no. Have a better idea. Screw animators, like, what? I'll actually maybe end up using it. Hmm. Where's the animation anyway? Like, where do we set the sprite sheet location, keyframe? This is such garbage. Because this is not what I want to do at all. So I'll just remove it and maybe polish it later. But right now it's quite simple. I need to take I need to choose one of the two frames and render either one or either the first or the second one, depending on whether it's jumping or falling down. Now, let's turn animator off. How did I do it previously? GDKO. Here. Oh, no. It was a 3-hour jam. And this script. So this is how we're gonna load all the sprites. Right. Let's open Visual Studio Project. Player. An array of sprites. Whatever. So we load textures. What's it called here? Bubble player. And now I want to actually use velocity, the vertical velocity, to decide if, you know, if the player is going up or down. Which previously we used this, just checking if the player is lower than the bubble, and if it is, then it gets captured. But that's not what I want. So fixed update. Player can either be going up or falling down. So I just use a bool going up. And then if it's false, then it's gotta be going down. Now, rigid body, velocity, y. So if y is greater than 0,0f, then going up is gonna be true. So I think that can work. Let's make a public one. Is going up. Just to check it before I do the whole animation thing. I mean the sprite switching. So here we're gonna do player. Is going up. Then we're gonna do this bubble entering thing, otherwise it's gonna bounce. According to laws of physics, when you jump on top of a balloon, bubble, you bounce up. I'm still so used to balloons. I was doing a balloon game before this, and now it's bubbles. Pah. Well, let's do the animation as well. Let's do it right here. So if let's only bother if previous going up is not going up. Sprites dot sprites. Sprites. Oh my god, I have a naming issue here. So if going up, it's gonna be 1, otherwise it's gonna be 0. End of story there. End of story there. Will this actually work? Am I missing something? I don't know, but also at the very start. Now let's have a refresh sprite function. And so we're gonna do that at start as well. Will this work? I'm curious, and if it doesn't work, why? Huh? Oh, it's working perfectly. Now I also need to do flipping left right depending on whether you're looking left or right, you know. Entering a bubble, jumping up, see daisy. I kind of wanted to figure out sound effects. It should be Also I need bubble pop animation, otherwise it's all crap. It's no good without bubble popping animation. By the way, I'll need to also increase the sprite. Does Unity has easy flipping method for sprite rendering? Sprite renderer. Oh, there it is. Flip X. So let's have another bull for looking right. Uh, mm. No, let's do this over here. Sprite flip X is not looking right. Only flip X if not looking right. Alright, it's working. Worky. Look at it flipping left and right. It's so tiny though. If your eyesight is bad, you're gonna wonder. But who cares? Get glasses or something, you know. Contact lenses. Laser eye surgery. I think it's a beautiful little alien. It has those antennas and all that. Looks a little bit like Plankton from SpongeBob, but it has a big nose, if you can even see it. It also has feet, unlike Plankton. It has like big ass duck feet, I think. Okay, but this is just mechanic. I didn't yet implement the game loop. Like, the game should be about popping bubbles that have letters in them. Uh, uh. I should limit. I should limit the falling speed. Probably that's down to tweaking, like. Blood. I also need a sprite of flare when inside a bubble. And a bubble popping sprite. Now about that, the issue is this bubble is already as large as sprite can be, so it can't really expand when popping. Of course, you can cheat by scaling up, but you know, is that what I want to do? That leaves you with less control of. How does popping balloon even look like? I mean, bubble. Bubble, stop saying balloon. Bubble bursting.
Probajte bolji Bref način.
Fuck off.
Dobijate čisti svež toalet 24/7. Probajte.
Yeah, I should get one of those. Serves me right for using garbage called YouTube.
The bubbles pop well fast.
Are you actually gonna show a bubble popping? Please show a bubble. I mean, it wobbles. Alright. No, that's not what we want to see in video games. In video games, we want this to be more dramatic. I mean, this is beautiful, but it's not what we want. No. What about bubble? How do bubbles pop in bubble? That's what I want to know. They don't pop at all. Like, no one cared to animate any popping balloons. Bubbles. Alright, that... I guess I'm gonna have to use creative freedom. Might be cool if it would have that flashing effect where it goes white first and then, you know. Yeah, let's give it a try. Duplicate. Now go all white. Or maybe invert. Why would it bother? God, why would it bother? Oh, let's try. Who knows, maybe I'm on to something. So invert by making this black. Let's just use the invert function. Colors invert. All right. Okay, next. Well, there's really nothing to do here but add a bunch of white debris. Deal with a larger brush. I mean, we're popping here, right? We're bursting. As the YouTube has just taught me, the world is burst. Popping is... Oh well. I mean, you can use both. Okay. So that'll be animation then. Let's do it like here. Graphics. Bubble. First one. Burst 2. Let's use the trusty Piscal up again. Well, do the resize, yeah. Import. Number 2. And number 3. Alright. It might be a bit too intensive due to the flash. We'll see. Let's save the Piscal and export. 3 columns. Yeah. 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 Now, this should be a multiple sprite editor. Slice 512. We get 3 slices. Good. Very good. Apply. Mm-hmm. And now let's do the whole annoying animation thing, the Unity thing with animations. Well, let's check out that animation. Where is it? Zero, 1, 2. Yeah, looks legit. We're not gonna loop it though. It's not a looping animation. Once you pop, you don't go back. Where's the controller? Let's do a parameter. Trigger is gonna be called popped. Right? Add a transition. Wow. Create state. It's gonna be bubble animation. This one is gonna be 0. This one is gonna be 1. We're yet to figure out the speed of animation. Whatever. Transition over here will be triggered by popped. Yeah. No exit time. Transition, no. Should be immediate. Okay. Well, let's see what's going on here. We got a sprite renderer, we got animator. Delete. Hmm. Now, does this has anything to do with anything? No. I've added this thing to the wrong thing. Delete. All good. Well, I don't know if all is good, but good so far. Now, instead of destroy, where's the bubble? Okay, pop. Instead of destroying the bubble, let's finally try and do this thing. Get component in children animator. How do you get trigger? Set trigger. Pop. Let's see if this will work. No, it does. Parameter pop does not exist. Screw you. Oh, popped. Trigger is popped. Alright, good. Kind of good. Of course, it should also get destroyed. What happened now? Okay, we have is popping bull. Now let's also have a counter. Or timer. Timer is more accurate. if it's popping, popping timer, pulse equals, yeah, if popping timer, I don't know, 0.3, destroy game objects. Masterpiece of coding. I'm joking. All right. Yeah, I think it's not a bad idea to make it flash white before popping. Yep. Do we now have a bit of a glitch? We have a bit of a glitch when you enter a bubble. Fuck you. What exactly happens there? Hmm. Pop. Which uncaptures the player. And that should have nothing. I mean, that should just work. Mm. Yeah. Let's also remove its. Stop making it simulated. Because as we release the player, it touches the bubble again, getting recaptured. So when it pops, oh really? Well, this one doesn't have physics, but if is popping, return, we don't care. Yeah, we don't care. I think I saw that. We don't care. What? Whatever. We had a null reference there, but let's see if it's still going on. That's music from Bubble Bubble. Okay, so it works basically. Now let's see this little guy and Well, let's first save progress. We don't want Unity to crash and destroy the project. Player sprite and bubble pop anim. That explains it. Build. Mm-hmm. Oh, let's give it a try. Let's see if we got something. Alright. It's gonna be pretty hard to see what the creature is, but... But do we really need to know these things, you know? I also need a marker when it goes up over the screen, a marker to track its position, so... You know, some quality of life. Oh my god, still need the main gameplay loop. I'm good. The thing with letters. I'll first do a graphic of a little creature being trapped. Mm-hmm. Because that's what's really important, you know? Well, let's... How are we gonna do that? Resolution too low. Uh, what does smooth scroll does? Oh, it does this. Alright. Well, that's probably what I needed. Okay, so the creature is gonna be like... Yeah, it's gonna be like trapped in a bubble. Let's do the fit. Little fit. Alright, smooth stroke is cool. I should have used it from the very start. Okay, now this last line is bad. It's Bodman. Okay. So alright, so the little guy is trapped. Does he have eyes? I don't know. Let's add him anyway. And that's it. Masterfully done. I mean, it's not horrible. Oh no. I'm gonna turn off smooth stroke for this. Fix this stuff a little. Right, so basically this is what it looks like when you're stuck in a bubble. Do I really want to bother with this? Yeah, sure. I mean, whatever. Whatever. Um. Oh, antennas. You know, where it's antennas. There they are. Shit. Like, whatever. Doesn't look great, but... Hmm. You know what? Do I really wanna... Yeah. I'm gonna just stuff this right into the textures and just draw it over the bubble. I don't care. I'm not gonna complicate this crap any further. Okay, bubble capture is a single sprite. Is it? Yeah, save. Is it possible to just... never mind. Never mind. Okay. Might even cheat a little, make it bigger. Huh. Not that much though. 11. Okay. Let's just do this. Capture sprites. Let's just simplify. Use the visual UI, whatever. Okay. So when we capture, we go enabled. But when we pop, in case it was enabled, false. And I think that should be game ready. I don't have to change anything else. Unless I messed something up. Just need to find a bubble to enter. There we go. Nice. Yay. Alright. The game is shaping up. I still need sounds. Desperately. Yeah, I kind of like it. I kind of do like it. I won't be needing this anymore. Ignore this. Will I get lucky and get a pop sound? How do I change this into a pop? Now, high resonance, that helps. Okay, not bad. It's too woody though, but other settings can help. We don't need this. I don't know, this really sounds like bubble popping, but you know, it's a game, whatever. Okay, this is more soapy. Okay, not it, but let's have it saved just in case. Let's call it pop bad because it is bad. Will I get lucky with a mutate button? Nope. This might be even worse. Whatever. Oh my god, I'll just record the mouth sound, whatever. Yeah, I should have done that right away. Audacity. I better warm up my mouth. Let's give it a try. Alright. Let's first up the volume. I think. Oh, we don't have to. Or maybe we do have to. I don't know. Let's up the volume. A little bit. A little bit. Little bit by 2. Now, is there a. Which one is the best? Alright. One of these. Yeah, I think the last one is the winner. But let's save them all. What jam is this again? Global Game Jam. Bubbles. So, let's copy it. New stereo track. Stereo. Let's hear it out. Oh, is there a clip in? Does it clip? It's definitely weird, but let's try fix it with. Oh, I should mute this. Okay, was this even an issue? Alright, we have a winner. Export. Export as OGG. Oh. Previous gem. Assets. Sounds. Bubble burst. I will sign my name. I am the artist here. Use my own mode. Alright. Now let's add audio source to each balloon bubble. God damn it. Audio source. This one. Do not play on awake. Should you worry about... I don't know, we'll see. But, oh, will there even be enough time to play this sound before game object is destroyed? That is the question. Well, then I'll have to do multi-stage, like, if higher than 0.3, then just stop rendering, and then later destroy. We'll see, it's not a big issue. Right. Pop. Get component, audio source, play. Where are the overloads? Was the volume? No, delay. But we don't want any delay. Having delay would be a disaster. Great, it's great. Wait. Oh my god, what's happening? Alright, they're popping when they're getting out of the screen. Which I don't want to. I want them to quietly pop. Let's have a parameter here, true. And bulk white is false by default. And if quiet, just get wrecked, mate. Just disappear and return. Well, we want whatever we want to happen anyway. We'll put it at the top. Yeah. Let's give it a try then. No, they're still popping up there. Oh yeah, this is for no, this is the wrong one. This is the one where we want pop through. This one where they actually get off the screen, so we don't care about about cosmetics. Mm. Mm. I need a sound for getting into a bubble. It must be a good sound, and it must improve everything. Hmm. They do pop too late sometimes when I'm inside one of those. Hmm. God damn. I think I'll polish controls a little bit more. Yeah, I really need to start implementing the main thing. Time's running out. Also some graphical improvements wherever I can. The water is gonna. I have idea what I'm gonna do. All right, so it's not gonna be just a block of white. That's not how it's gonna work. But the background, I don't know. It might need something other than black. I still have a glitch where you see a little guy for a split second. Hmm. I think player character is charismatic, you know. Too bad you can't see it. I must get the letters in. And I think I'll finish the game off this stream because this is getting burdensome. I'm gonna do some grinding, some crunch time. I also need a bubble spawner. All these bubbles I've placed by hand, but they shouldn't be placed by hand. They should spawn randomly. We'll see. I'll work on this more after the pause. Maybe a stream more. I'm not sure. Bye.